Good morning, children. God bless you all. Please stay at your home and stay safe. See, today's class is completely upon the basic concepts of English grammar. Today, we will learn about English alphabet, words, sentences, use of capital and small letters, and yes, alphabetical order. I would like to request you all to watch this video carefully and note down the important points. So, let's start the basic concept of English grammar. English alphabet, a set of 26 letters arranged in a fixed order. Capital letters. These are the capital letters from A to Z written in cursive. Children, please practice writing cursive at home. These are small letters written in cursive. Practice writing capital and small letter in cursive at home. Letters. As we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet and these letters combine together to form words. This is the map of our country India. In India, I is a letter, N is a letter, D is a letter, I is a letter and A is a letter. India, India. India is a word. When we say India is my country, it is one sentence. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. These are two sentences. Sentences are made up of words and words are made up of letters. Every word has some meaning. A sentence is a set of words put in proper order that states a complete thought. Now come to alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means that the words starting with A should be written first of all. They should be followed by words starting with B and then the words starting with C should be written. This process is to be continued further. The first letter same. What we will do if the first letter is same? Look at the following pictures and read the words under them. Bib, baby, bus, box. Each of these words begins with B. To put them in the alphabetical orders, we shall overlook the first letter B and sort out the second letters of these words. The second letters of these words are I, A, U and O. Writing these letters in alphabetical order, we get A, I, O and U. So the words in ABC order will be baby, bib, box, bus. What we will do when the first two letters will be the same? The first two letters same. If the first two letters of the words to be arranged in the alphabetical order happen to be same, they should be overlooked. The third letters of the words should be sorted out and arranged in the alphabetical order as. This is the picture of a drop, drum, dress, drain. The third letters of the words are A, E, O and U. When put in ABC order, they are A, E, O and U. So these words in alphabetical order will be drain, dress, drop, drum. Similarly, if the words to be put in ABC order have the first three letters same, they should be overlooked. Then the fourth letters of the words should be considered. Capital and small letters. The letters of English alphabet written in a large form are called capital letters or capitals. And the letters of English alphabet written in small form are called small letters or smalls. Take any book and read a page out of it. You will see that most of the letters used to form words are small letters, but a few letters are in capital also. Observe the following sentences. I am writing a story. My sister Renu sings well. In the above sentences, letters I, am, are capitals, while the rest of the letters are small. Mostly we use small letters in writing, but here and there we use capital letters also. Now let's see the use of capital letters. The first letter of the first word in every sentence will be capital. She has storybook in her hand. My sister is tall and slim. The first letter of the word God and any word used for God will be always capital. Like, we must pray to God every day. God is all powerful. We must bow to His will. In these two sentences, G of God and H of this His is capital because this His is for God. The first letter of a particular name of a person or place will be always capital. Birbal was one of the 9 gems of Akbar. The Taj Mahal stands on the bank of the Yamuna at Agra. See, B of Birbal, A of Akbar. In the first sentence, capital. In the second sentence, T of Taj, M of Mahal, Y of Yamuna and A of Agra are capital because these are the names of particular place and person. The first letter of the name of a day or month will be always capital. Sunday is the last day of the week. April, June, September and November have 30 days each. In these two sentences, S of Sunday, A of April, J of June, S of September and N of November is capital because these are the name of days and months. The first letter of the first word of each line of a poem will be always capital. How did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? H of how and W of who is capital because these two letters are the first letters of these two lines of the poem, Good Morning. The letters I and O, when used as independent words, will be always capital. I shall do what you advise me. Save me, O God, from this trouble. See, I in this first sentence and O in the second sentence are capital because we will always write I and O capital when they are used as independent words. Today we came to know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Sentences are made up of words and words are made up of letters. Every word has some meaning. A sentence is a set of words put in proper order that states a complete thought. We understood alphabetical order and we also understood the use of capital and small letters. With this video, you are going to get a text, word text, so that you can understand the class properly. I request you to note down the important points and try to answer the questions which we are going to give you after this class. Thank you.